Hi, I'm Chad from Conair with a quick tip on how to get back up and running after a holiday break. We will use the recipe function in our DCB Premium control. The first thing we'll do is log in as an operator, which is passcode 3333 on this control. Then we will access the recipe page, which has all our current settings that we've been running the dryer at. I'm going to go ahead and rename this recipe Thanksgiving. And then when we get back from Thanksgiving break, I can quickly choose the Thanksgiving recipe and start up operation at those same settings we were using before the break. This gets you up and running much quicker. So you can see I've saved that recipe and it is stored in the dryer for after the holiday break. So fast forward here to after break, we'll turn the dryer on, go back into that recipe page, choose the Thanksgiving recipe, select it and say yes, we want to run from that recipe, and all those previous settings are now imported, showing as the Thanksgiving recipe, and startup is a breeze. Thanks for watching today's tech tip from Conair.